Next thing I'm going to do is turn the drone on with the power button inside the battery. So now I'm started up. Doesn't have to be perfectly flat or anything like that. It's just basically good to go. And once it's good, I put it in my takeoff spot right here. I also sometimes hot swap the battery. You'll hear a bunch of different opinions on this, but basically you just pull the battery out without even turning it off, and then just slam a new battery in. I've been doing that forever. I haven't had any issues ever. The other hot tip is you don't always have to push both legs up to get the battery out. As long as you have a good hold on one, like this, then you can break that seal on the battery. So I think we're good to go for the pre-flight. Let's take it up. Let's make sure everything is good. So we're going to use the smart controller. I've got the Alien dual antenna, although it's not needed, but I enjoy using it. Sometimes I forget to turn it on and fly it out there 2,500 feet without any antenna, and then realize I don't have that on. So I don't want it to blow off. Hopefully the wind will stay nice and calm. So getting it up and running. Yeah, that's some good wind. I think we're going to get a decent storm. My hand over the sensors to make sure everything is working good. Make sure I get that little red blip at the top that tells me how close something is to my drone. So I just make sure everything's working. There's the little jump. Looks good. Notice I was able to start it without even being logged in here. So that's the quick start. Confirm, yes, switch. It's late at night. There's a freak storm. There's lightning above my head. This storm doesn't exist anywhere as far as I could tell. We checked every map and there's nothing about this storm. And yet we just lost our electric. It's running on the generator. Yep. So, you know, we get a lot of tornado weather. So I'm going to be running my drone up and see what we can do. I did my pre-flight check earlier, so we're good. Okay, so let's see if we can see anything here. It's gonna be tough. It's raining, it's pouring, and my drone is up there. We've captured a little bit of lightning so far. The thing about the storm is it's not on the map, it's not anywhere. It just came out of nowhere. This is exactly how that tornado thing started 2 years ago. So that's my drone up there. I can barely see it. It's fighting the wind. So starting to rain harder. There's some lightning. All right, so it's picking up. And the drone is still in the sky. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's blowing in the wind. So it's fighting its way back. But I think it's getting low on battery. The wind's picking up. I'm at 16% battery. I'm bringing it back. I'm going to put in the new battery. I'm going to try to land this thing. Happy. All right. And we're going to have to fight the wind, come down. Woo!